Hey, it's Ross with monday.com. Today, we'll go over how to control the editing and visibility of board's data with board permissions. Let's dive in. First things first, board types allow you to restrict who is able to view your board. We have main boards, visible to any team member in your account, private, which can be seen by the creator and the specific team members invited to join, and shareable, for collaborating with people outside your team. Here we've created an IT request funnel as a main board, but now we want to control the permissions. Board owners, added and managed from here, can dictate what information can be viewed and edited. Okay, with the owners in place, find and adjust the board permission settings from here. As said before, viewing permissions are set by the board type, but enterprise customers can add an extra layer where users only see items assigned to them from a people column. For editing permissions, we've got 4 different options. The first and default setting is the aptly named Edit Everything. From adding columns to editing groups and more, this setting allows collaboration on all aspects of your board. The second option permits all actions on a board except editing group or column titles, or moving either around. With each option, you'll notice the summary on the right updates to show what non-owners can and can't do on the board, leaving you nothing to question. Next, making it so that non-owners can only edit items or sub-items that they're assigned to from a people column. And last, updates only. This option will prevent non-owners from changing anything on the board outside of writing updates. Board permissions too broad? Try adding restrictions to individual columns. By clicking the drop-down menu, board owners can restrict the edits or visibility of any column. In both cases, only the team members added to this list will be able to edit or see the column. How cool is that? Finally, if you're on our enterprise plan, you can take things a step further with account permissions. Located in the admin settings, you'll be able to restrict things like uploading files, adding boards, and enabling integrations or automations. Easy. And that's it. Thanks to board permissions, tailor restrictions to match your team's needs. Bye for now. Click on a video for more on permissions or the monday.com logo to reach out.